Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my health and taste. Today we are going to make very yummy and quick and easy recipe that is no preservative homemade Nutella. For making this we'll start off by roasting 100 grams of hazelnuts, and we'll roast them until they start becoming brown and they'll become shiny and they'll give a very nice aroma. So once they are done, we'll put them in a mixer grinder jar, and we'll grind them to a coarse powder. So once this powder is done, make sure you scrape all the sides, and we'll add the rest of the ingredients, that is Bura, cocoa powder, olive oil, and some vanilla essence. So here I've taken unsweetened cocoa powder. If you want, you can take sweetened also. And Bura, initially I'll suggest you add less, then later on you can always taste and add more. So here it has turned, I've grinded it to a thick paste. So but we want a smooth flowing consistency Nutella, right? So here some sweetness is also less, so I'm adding more Bura to this. So you can adjust it according to your taste, and we'll then grind again and we'll get this yummy flowing consistency Nutella. This is very rich, tasty, and there's no preservatives we have put in this. It's very easy to make. It will be ready within 5 minutes. There's nothing much to do, and it's very cheap compared to the store-bought Nutella. So you can just store it in an airtight container and store it for as long as you want. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.